Hello guys, what's up guys, welcome back. So what you see on your screen right now, guys, these are some of the screenshots from the accounts that have been trading, trying to grow accounts, because most of the traders have small accounts, really tiny accounts. So as you can see, I've tried to grow these accounts from $10 to $50 to $100, even making money on big accounts, because remember, we can make money on in many ways, trading an account or making money on a big account, trading an account. So I was using a very simple concept that most of you see every day on your charts, but you never take notice of it. And make sure to watch this video from the start to the end so that you can master this concept. And I'm going to be using the simplest language ever. I'm not going to use any hard words, because most of the traders will be, trying to bring in as suggestions that this is what it's called, but for me, I want to explain it to you in a way that you will understand it. So if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe. And also, guys, as you can see, I'm putting on the Xness cap. Make sure to get the Xness account in my link. Xness is the best broker with fast deposits and instant withdrawals. Let's go. Today, traders, I want to teach you something that I always often see in the market. This is called consolidation markets. So the reason why I'm doing these consolidation markets, these markets happen every single where, but if you're able to take trades off the consolidation market, you can be able to take trades. As you can see, this is a consolidation market right here. Then we have another one right here. And then we have another one up here. So I'm going to base off the consolidation market that I took. As you can see, these trades on your screen, I took some of these trades and I made money off it. And I've been trading consolidations for quite some time now. So one of the best markets to trade consolidation, for me, it's gold, and this is the market that I'm going to be taking you through. So right now, as you can see, this is our gold chart. Let's look at the time frames. So this is the daily time frame, as you can see right here. Very perfect market, There's nothing very confusing about this market, as you can see. Let me even zoom out for you so that you can see good. So this is the market that we are dealing with right now. So I'm going to mark out that market for a reason. But before I'm going to mark it out for a reason. I'm going to use this for a future reference. So I'm going to mark out this zone up here, right there, and I'm going to make that a small line. I'll make it a small line, and I'm going to draw a box for a reason. So as you can see right there, like this, something small like that. Nice. So traders, there is something that we call accumulating orders. So whenever you see any consolidation market, I want you to know that there are orders that are being accumulated. So I'm going to be giving you many examples, and then you can understand this concept. So the time frame I like to use is the 1 hour time frame, as you can see. So the first example I'm going to give you is this example right here. So you can see here we have a consolidation market. As you can see, this is a market that is just jumping in one place. See, as you can see right here. So what you do, you come here, choose your rectangle, this rectangle right here. When you choose a rectangle, you're going to draw out a level where price is consolidating, as you can see right here. So this is where price is consolidating right there. So after doing this, traders, for you to see your entry, or for you to have an entry into this market, you have to go to the smaller time frame, because whenever we have a consolidation like this, it means orders are being accumulated. And we are about to see a breakout at any time soon. But what did we have yesterday? Yesterday we had the Feds increasing the interest rates, which we had market pushing price down here, and then after we saw the after effect price pushing up. You see, with this big two candle momentums, as you can see there. So this is what I'm talking about, traders. As you can see this right here, I'll show another example. So here, if you had taken new buy trades, you would have taken your buy trade right up here and putting your stop loss just below. So I would have taken my trade just right here, right there. You put your take profit at a recent zone or a historical zone, and then putting my stop loss around just here, below this candle right here. Yes. So this would be a nice trade to take. And the reason why I put my take profit here, because I've marked out this zone. This is a zone where price, if price was to shoot up, that's a zone where price was destined to go. I can even zoom out for you, and then you'll see. You can see right here. Let's see. This is where a level where price was supposed to come to. You see, this is the zone right here, as you can see, traders. So that is one trade that I took yesterday. So yesterday I took a trade. Today I've taken a trade, and I'm going to be showing you all these trades that I've taken, and they are all based off this accumulation and distribution. So guys, I want you to understand accumulation and distribution in the easiest way possible. In the easiest way possible. As you can see now, we had this shoot up. Now let me remove this line right here. So guys, as you can see now, we had price shooting up with these big 2 candles, and then we had the same thing starting to appear right here. But again, remember, traders, I told you this week you have very much volatile news. Price starts doing the same thing. How do you know that price is now consolidating, traders? When you zoom in like this, you're going to see these are candles that are showing indecision in the market. These are all indecision candles, as you can see. All of these spinning tops, you see all these candles. You see all of them. They show indecision in the market. So what you do is draw out again. Draw out your rectangle like this. So draw out your rectangle like this and mark out this zone right here, as you can see. So the reason why we're doing this is because in that box, orders are being accumulated. However, there is a fact that news are going to come in, the news events, because today we had initial jobless claims. You can even see down here. If I click there, you're going to see some of the news. I don't know if I can show them here. Let's see. Okay, let's first leave that. So when you see something like this, you know there is something happening. And again, this has happened at a zone which is a turning point. Look at this, traders. This is a strong zone. When I count my daily time frame, you're going to see this is a strong zone, as you can see. Let me zoom out. You can see. So yesterday when price shot up, it came to this zone. And this is a turning point. So however much you want, guys, a turning point is a turning point. Price can't go any further, because remember, price shot up with very much momentum. This is the momentum I'm talking about. Price shot up with this big momentum, as you can see, up to the upper side right here, and it starts consolidating like this. Right now, price was accumulating orders, and we're anticipating this drop, because for the time I've been in the forex market, guys, I've seen this multiple times. Whenever we have this, price often comes back and covers up this thing here. Most of you would call it fair value gap, blah blah blah, but most of the case, all the time I've been in the forex market, I've seen this many times, where price shoots up and then here price comes back and covers up this thing. But again, it covers up literally the same thing that looks like this, and I'll be showing you the same thing. Let's see if we can see the same thing right here. This would be a good example. You see this candle falls, this candle comes back up to cover, since price was not supposed to go down at that time. So price goes back up for quite some time until it comes back down. Because remember, candles even represent such things. You can even see here, these 2 candles represent that. So even right here, almost the same thing, but not really. Maybe here, you see 1 2 3 candles, 1 2 3, as you can see, traders. So this is almost the same thing that we had here, right here. So what you do now is you jump onto your smaller time frame. Now, since now you know what we have here, we have a consolidating market. Orders are being accumulated. Then you're going to come to the smaller time frame, the 5 minutes time frame. This is what the time frame that I like so much. So that's the time frame where you're going to see now, this is the time frame that you're going to see sellers come in. Now you see, this is where you see now, you see price, your box being broken. You see now our accumulation, you can see it. You see orders being accumulated, until you have a breakout, as you can see. But remember, as I told you, whatever happens this side, it has to happen also this side, guys. It has to happen this side. Look here, we had price shooting up with massive momentum. Then you have a red candle coming in there. You see, there we have a demand zone, price shoots back up. Again, immediately after we have a breakout at this zone right here, we have price, let me zoom in. As you can see, we have price breaking out, and then we had this coming in here, right there. So as you can see, so this is what I was waiting for in the smaller time frame. So I took my trade exactly here. I put my stop loss above here, and I let this market drop, as you can see. So market has dropped more than, I don't know how many pips, traders. I don't know even how many pips. Because me, the moment I made my $200, I jumped out of this market, because I'm not someone who trades gold often, as you can see. So my take profit was down here, around here, yeah. Then I had my stop loss just right here, As you can see, traders, this was a very nice trade. This was a very nice trade, very nice, risking very less and having a big target. I hit more than 200 pips, and my stop loss was just 30 pips to traders. This is a very good trade, guys. You are always going to see this everywhere in the market. If you're someone who trades in the market and you see consolidations every time, this is the way you can trade consolidations. But again, you have to apply so many things. The advantage I had here, because I had this was a turning point here, right here. Again, you had heavy news coming in. News are not predictable, but again, you can just base off things that have happened in the past, and also very many factors. Guys, I've been in the market for 4 years. I've seen most of these things happen, so I literally know what I'm talking about. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to apply the same, apply the same knowledge, and try and as much as to succeed in this forex market, because there is nothing hard about these markets, as you can see even right here. So the reason even why I put my take profit right down here, you can see this is another turning point. You see support level right there, support level, traders. You see there's no rocket science in forex. You see, as you can see right there, even we had this, you see you had this consolidation. Again, if you look at the breakout, this breakout just alone, this is more than 50 pips from up there to down here. This is more than 50 pips, traders. These things keep on happening every single time, but the only way you can be able to hit gold and make money with gold, guys, always look out for those consolidations. Always look out for those consolidations, because you'll be making crazy amounts of money off consolidations than trading other aspects of forex. But this is one of the easiest way. Look at these, traders. You see, look at this. These things keep on happening everywhere. You see, everywhere. You see, traders, you take your trade, put your stop loss above there, your stop loss won't be hit. This is 1 hour time frame. Look at these, traders. These things happen everywhere. And I just posted a video, a short just trying to show you how these things act. Look at these, traders. Now look at this. As I told you, we have a consolidation, a breakout. Now retest is just this one here. We can even extend. You see, when we extend, we have now a major retest. The major retest is up down here. You see, now we have price shooting up with an impulsive move. Very beautiful. Now you can see from here, from this we have another. You see, from this we have another thing. You guys, you see, from this accumulation we have this distribution. Price comes back down. Traders, I don't want to confuse you with accumulation and this distribution, but all I want you to know that whenever you say consolidation market, know that price is trying to accumulate orders, that either sold orders or buy orders. So traders, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out whenever I post a video. I'll see you in my next episode, guys, on how to trade. Very simple in the forex market. Another one is here. Peace, traders. I'll see you.